Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Industrial Growth. First question: Intergenerational equality is ensured under the process of Option A: Industrial progress, Option B: Economic development, Option C: Sustainable development, Option D: Economic growth. Answer: Option B: Economic development. Second one: find the odd one out. Option A: solar energy, Option B: wind energy, Option C: paper, Option D: natural gas. Answer: Option C: paper. Third question: for comparing development between countries, their dash is considered to be one of the most important attributes. Option A: growth, Option B: income, Option C: expenditure, Option D: savings. Answer: Option B: income. Fourth question: dash is considered a true measure of national income. Option A: GNP, Option B: GDP, Option C: NNP, Option D: NDP. Answer: Option B: GDP. Fifth question: assertion. Development increases the quality of life. Reason: people will have higher incomes, better education, better health and nutrition, less poverty. Option A: both A and R are true and R explains A. Option B: both A and R are true and R does not explain A. Option C: A is correct and R is false. Option D: A is false and R is true. Answer: Option A: both A and R are true and R explains A. Sixth one: the term human resources refers to Option A: investment on poor people, Option B: expenditure on agriculture, Option C: investment on assets, Option D: collective abilities of people. Answer: Option D: collective abilities of people. Seventh one: which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Option first point: increase in monetary expansion. Second point: low import growth rate in India, recession in Indian industry. Third point: euro issues shared held by Indian companies in European countries. Fourth point: portfolio investment, foreign institutional investors. Option A 1, 2 and 4. Option B 3 and 4. Option C 1, 2 and 3. Option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer: Option A 1, 2 and 4. Eighth one: the Narasimhan Committee for Financial Sector Reforms has suggested reduction in Option A SLR and CRR, Option B SLR, CRR and priority sector financing, Option C SLR and financing to capital goods sector, Option D CRR, priority sector financing and financing to capital goods sector. Answer: Option B SLR, CRR and priority sector financing. Ninth question: assertion A. Human resource is necessary for the progress of any country. Reason R. Investment in education and health of people can result in a high rate of returns in the future for a country. Option A. Both A and R are true and R explains A. Option B. Both A and R are true and R does not explain A. Option C. A is correct and R is false. Option D. A is false and R is true. Answer. Both A and R are true and R explains A. 10th question. The Human Development Index does not take into account the following dimension in its calculation. Option A. Gender. Option B. Health. Option C. Education. Option D. Income. Answer. Option A. Gender. 11th question. Which one of the following country is not a member of SAARC? Option A. India. Option B. Pakistan. Option C. China. Option D. Bhutan. Answer. Option C. China. 12th question. Assertion A. The net national product is considered as a true measure of national output. Reason. It is also known as national income. Option A. Both A and R are true and R explains A. Option B. Both A and R are true and R does not explain A. Option C. A is correct and R is false. Option D. A is false and R is true. Answer. Both A and R are true and R explains A. 13th question. Which is the state with highest installed solar capacity in India? Option A. Andhra Pradesh. Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Option C. Tamil Nadu. Option D. None of this. Answer. Option C. Tamil Nadu. 14th question. Thermal plant emits large quantity of dash which pollutes the environment. Option A. Oxygen. Option B. Nitrogen. Option C. Carbon. Option D. Carbon dioxide. Answer. Option D. Carbon dioxide. 15th question. Among the following states, which state has the literacy rate higher than the national average? Option A. Andhra Pradesh. Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Option C. Tamil Nadu. Option D. None of these. Answer. Option C. Tamil Nadu. 16th question. Sex ratio means. Option A. The ratio between adult male and adult female in a population. Option B. The ratio between female and male in a population. Option C. The relationship between male of female. Option D. The number of females per thousand males. Answer. Option D. The number of females per thousand males. 17th question. The dash income is also called per capita income. Option A. Average. Option B. Total. Option C. People. Option D. Monthly. Answer. Option A. Average. 18th one. Which one of the following country is not a G8 country? Option A. Japan. Option B. Canada. Option C. Russia. Option D. India. Answer. Option D. India. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.